SubhanAllah, MashAllah, Bismillah too. Beautiful words for me and you. Clap your hands and sing today. These words will guide us every day. Holly draws a picture, colors so nice. Say MashAllah, what a sweet surprise. When you see good things people do, say MashAllah, it's the word for you. SubhanAllah, MashAllah, Bismillah too. Beautiful words for me and you. Clap your hands and sing today. These words will guide us every day. Time for dinner, food looks sweet. Say Bismillah before we eat. Every start means blessings above. Say Bismillah with Allah's love. SubhanAllah, MashAllah.